From the Diamond Block, and today we are starting a new series, and it is about making a server. I know there's a ton of other server let's build kind of things, but I'll actually guide you through the entire one in this. And so the first step is to first set up your server, okay? I'm not going to go through all that stuff. You can go YouTube it, Google it, whatever. And once you set up everything, op yourself, stuff like that. Oh, and I suggest you can either make your spawn area or you can build it. I'm not gonna put in this this server spawn area. Sorry, I can't put it into the description. Sorry, but I'm gonna show you how to do like mini games and that's annoying. / weather. Okay, there we go. That was mine. So anyways, I'm gonna go through you. We're gonna do the mini games, cause most let's build server things, they don't actually go through how to make a mini game. They're just like, okay, you set up your server, okay, goodbye. I don't really care about what your server's gonna look like. I do. So, let's get to it. Alright, so first you need to kind of get a theme. My theme is, I guess, kind of futuristic theme. I kind of like it. And so, I kind of like the theme I have right now. You can do whatever you want. But if it's gonna be a minigame server, which this is, you're gonna want to have some games. Oh, obviously, but I got a game set up. I'm not sure it works, but it's a one command game. The thing isn't. You can copy and paste it in the description. I'm not sure it's gonna work for me. Yeah, the command blocks haven't been working for me. I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, we're gonna trash that command block idea. Instead, we're going to do it manually. Let's see. Alright, let's get up here. And, let's get to it. So, we're going to be doing, a player versus player, PvP, whatever you want to call it. And we'll do it right here. So to make these types of things, so to make like the portals that go to the actual little PvP place, this is how I'm doing it. I don't know how other people are doing it. I'm not that great at that type of command block stuff. So I'm just gonna do a tripwire hook. And, where do I keep the, oh, there. Okay. So I'm going to put this, here. and it'll just go across. Let's see, and there. You can't see that, right? Exactly. So, how about we do this? If I do that, and now, /give shift at player, com. Alright. So, let's see, where should we put our little spawn place? Let's choose an area. How about, is this far enough? Yeah, this is considerably. Well, actually, no, because we're doing it here, so I try to keep it organized and do it behind the portals. Hopefully that'll work out well. And let's see, here should be good. /set block stone. Alright, now let's start our Coliseum place, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to start off by, it's going to be like a huge portal when they enter. Right, so they're going to be, well, not a huge portal, but a relatively large portal. Here. And then like this. And like down there. And over here. Over here. And there we are. So this is going to be our portal. And if you want to fill it up with water, you have to do this. To fill it with water, yeah, you have to kind of make it as a small miniature pool. Alright, and there we are. Just cover up the back so it doesn't look all sloppy. Alright, and we're gonna grab the coordinates of this place in a second. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward to when I got this all done. Okay, and let's grab some water. Oh yeah, so I got the portal finished. It's not the prettiest thing ever, but it still works. And now I'm gonna put a ton of water in here. Alright, oh. Well, actually, no, that's useless. Alright, now, put this over it. It's just a nice little decoration. But, I'm gonna put up some. So there's gonna be, for this PvP, there's gonna be 3 modes. There's gonna be easy, normal, and hard. they're all gonna be different maps that I'm gonna make. And so, like, this isn't gonna be a command block run server. So if you're not looking for a command, if you're looking for a command block server, then go to a different Let's Build, because this isn't, I'm not like the best command block expert. And boom. Okay, that's pretty nice looking. Now, I'm gonna do, for hard, I'm gonna put red stained clay, then I'm gonna put yellow stained clay for medium, and I'm gonna put that for normal, or easy. Alright, so hard will be here. Starts here. And wait a minute, no, it starts here. No, wait a minute. Sorry. I want to like start outside of the thing. It just looks nicer like that. Okay. I put this around. It's gonna go around here, then I'm gonna make a wall. Alright. How high should I make this room? Well, actually, however high that thing is, I guess is how I'm gonna make the room, but for now it's gonna be this high. Alright, and over here, it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna skip to the part when I'm pretty much done with all of these and putting in the last block, something like that. I think I got everything. See ya. Okay, I need to grab this, and then I'm gonna do the outro. Alright. So I didn't do much, except put in the walls and put that there, but I'm pretty sure this video has been like, I don't know how long, 2 seconds maybe. Feels like 2 hours, because I've probably been on this thing for 2 hours. But I'm sorry this video is so short. I have to end it out here because I feel like laying on the couch right now, and also eating lunch. So I hope you enjoyed. Please do leave a thumbs up for more, and next video we're gonna be doing the portals, and we're also gonna be working on the PvP, the player versus player maps, and I hope you enjoyed, and see ya. Goodbye.